Ours is an ever-changing world, where everything is moving faster and faster. Time marches forward relentlessly, and every day brings more new opportunities for improvement. As our cultures merge, we approach new projects with boundless imagination. In Spain, more than 50 years ago, a company and brand appeared with a vision of how our planet would evolve and the capacity to create the tools we would need to build that future. We have triumphed on 5 continents, growing with our customers and suppliers. We have improved our product range continuously over the years, developing highly advanced concrete vibrator technology. We never stop carrying out new research projects to produce even higher quality machinery. Our customers have been the driving force behind our operations for more than 5 decades and are our greatest asset. They know how reliable and efficient our machines are, which is why we give them all the support and know-how they need to use our vibration machines for many years. We develop and manufacture easy-to-use machines for construction, and we understand our customers' needs and adapt our equipment to difficult tasks. We put our talent and resources to work for you. Our sales networks cover every region of the planet. We provide technical support to resolve all your concrete vibration needs with a comprehensive range of vibration machinery. After investing in the latest technological innovations and R&D, and in line with our commitment to the environment, we have created a range of products with a proprietary design that is tough, convenient, and easy and safe for operators, always providing excellent value for money. Our commitment: you can always rely on us to help you choose the right ENAR product to suit your requirements. We are ENAR, your partner in the difficult task of building a new world.